Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is happening on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. So today I have an incredible price target prepared for you, so watch this video till the end, because today there will be a lot of metrics that will tell us a lot, and I will show you the positions that I currently have open. Also traders, don't forget to subscribe to my free Telegram group where you can receive signals much earlier. Also send me the word crypto in private messages and you will be able to receive signals on the future markets every day. On the screen you see a 1 hour time frame. As you remember, I have two transactions open on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. The first trade is a local loan which is marked here. It's in a small loss, 86 USDC loss, and realized PNL $1,000 loss. I was getting margins, so now we can see such picture. Maybe I will get even more margin. I will explain a little later why I think we can go higher. Also, I now have an incredible loan open, which is a huge profit on BYBIT. 36,000 USDT right now, 216% profit. This global loan covers absolutely all losses that are on short-term transactions. Again, this short-term trade is still within my risk management. This trade is marked here, and a potential scenario in which I believe is also marked here, and potentially we can take up to 23% with you. So here we have a channel. As you remember, I showed you this formation. We have already moved away from this formation a little, but most likely we will come here to the 0.8 level. We came to it through a huge candlestick of manipulation. So let's see. We had this candlestick on 1 day at 1 hour, and we had it at 5.74%. The lowest support boundary has managed in this channel. So far we are standing at level 0.8. I want to say that right now with this pump, which began on February 14, we had a stretched Fibonacci grid, and now as you can see we have an absolutely manipulative movement going on. We fell to 0.8 level without working off. Of course, there were small inter-level workings. In general, we can say that it was a full-fledged development that we will go down and the Fibonacci grid is no longer valid, but nevertheless, I'm still in the loan and I'm not getting out of it. Perhaps I will even get margins, but for now I will not do this. You need to look at another charts and metrics. So far I am in a short-term loan. I'm also in a long-term loan. So we are now moving to another 1 hour time frame. Here we have an interesting $22,200 support zone. Now we are standing on it. This is the previous level of resistance, now this local level of support. If we break through lower, then we go to $21,270. This is a fairly large level at which the price will linger. So therefore, for the time being, I'm considering trading in these ranges. They made a breakout. Further in this video, I will tell you what else I see interesting on more global time frames. So what else can be seen from the negative sides, from a technical point of view on a short-term time frame? Technically, we have a lower low. We at the last few hours intraday we are doing a lower low. This is a descending structure which in the short term can work out in such a way that we go a little lower to the next levels. Overall, yes, we can go to $21,381. Yes, it can happen. Yes, we can still look for a lowering minimum locally. But look what else is interesting here. The fact is that for the 1 hour time frame, we haven't yet made the main overlay. This is the overlay of this low, $21,321. If we do it, then we will probably go even lower, somewhere by $20,000, and then my position will close at a loss. And in general, nothing will change for me personally because I have a global loan, which so far covers all losses. Because it's a very large profit, but However, be prepared, if we override $21,300, we are likely to see a fairly large correction to $21,000 in the short term. Also, traders, there is an interesting information on the daily chart. See what it says. There is such an expanded channel here. If we break this channel down on the daily chart, we retest and go lower. Then, in my opinion, Bitcoin will stop at $20,429, and this is a 7% drop that we can see and that we can be ready for. In such a case, my short-term position will be closed, but the long-term position will also be open. According to the Fibonacci strategy, which I have already shown you many times on global time frames, we will buy and add margin to my long-term loan. So for the time being, there is also such an option that we can fall down by 7%, and this will happen again if we consolidate below the support level. So let's do a support retest and go down, or it can happen with one candlestick, but this is a very strong zone and there will something like this movement if we break down. Let's also talk about the positives. On the 4-hour time frame, we don't do overlay. This is very good. We have a strong support zone here, which is holding up so far. We push off from it, and so far we are trading near this support zone, which acts as a magnet in this case. Of course, there may be such short-term punctures, but nevertheless, we also have a magnetic zone of $24,000-$25,000, and the movement might look like this. But one way or another, this is a very good sign that so far we are withstanding the onslaught of bears on the 4-hour time frame. And everything looks as if Bitcoin can make a move to $25,000-$27,000 in accordance with our plan in the near future. So far, this is just a test of the support level, but nevertheless, in the global perspective and in the local trade perspective that I currently have opened, I expect $27,000-$28,000 in the near future. But the trade becomes illiquid if we close below $20,800-$21,500, and in general we need to make an overlay and gain a foothold below this overlay, and then the whole given structure is growing. So far globally on the 4-hour time frame, it all just looks like a growing channel in which Bitcoin is being traded right now and is testing the lower border of this channel. So far, it looks like this. If you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim up to $5,000 bonuses. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit on BYBIT. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. It's BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now there's a spin like a win. You can win Bitcoin, artificial intelligence tokens, Messi's autograph t-shirt, and many other prizes. So register using my links and get your bonuses. Once again, traders, for now, my long position remains unchanged. We will see what happens next. Wait for the next updates from me. So far, there is nothing to say. Only a new trading week has opened, and we will see what happens next. This week will be definitely very interesting and very informative, so don't miss my videos and stay tuned. What do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. I hope you like this video and my update. Also, don't forget to put comments with your opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye.